Hello everyone, just a quick video. Just got the GP66 from MSI, and I know Jays2Cents did a video saying he couldn't open it, and he was absolutely right. It was ridiculously difficult to open this up, and the way I was able to open it up was by taking this back panel off first. So that goes like when you open up the machine, there's this little wing thing that you need to put on there. That needs to come off first. After you do that, then this whole thing will just come off, and you start off from this side, and then you lift it upwards, and then it all sounds like it's going to snap apart, but it doesn't. So that's how you're able to open it. It took me about 5 minutes to work out, but yeah, I'm actually holding it the wrong way around. Let's just turn it over. I literally just got this about half an hour ago. Just tore it down straight away. Alright, so this is a 65 watt hour battery. You got all the heat pipes and everything. 2 RAM sticks. So we've got one populated M.2 SSD, and we've got a free one here. That's the reason I opened it up. I needed to put something in there. But that's that. That's the GP66 15-inch with the RTX 3070 and the Intel i7 10870H, and actually found out as well the RTX 3070 is actually a 135 watt one. Well, in HW info, I've found that it boosts up to 135 watts, and that's just with preliminary testing as well. So it is the full power 3070, which is really, really good. CPU does get a little bit hot, but probably about 94 degrees under CPU only load, because then that boosts the CPU to like 80-90 watts. Under games, it's well controlled, it's in the 70s and 80s. Combined is about 70s, 80s. GPU maxes out about 65-70 degrees. CPU probably about 70-80 degrees. But yeah, it's really, really good so far. I'm not happy with the touchpad. The touchpad's a bit weird.